Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up for a family plan on Duolingo. So, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser. As you can see, a family plan is where the primary account holder, family manager can share a super Duolingo annual subscription and all of its amazing features with up to 5 other Duolingo users. So, in order to access the sign up page for family plan on Duolingo, you'll have to basically go to any browser and type in sign up for family plan Duolingo. Then click on go and this will bring up some search results where you'll have to simply click on the link that says learn together with the new Duolingo family plan blog.duolingo.com. When you click on this blog, it will show you this page where you'll have to basically scroll down and navigate to this section that says Introducing Duolingo Family Plan. Here, you will see Duolingo Family Plan link that is in blue color in this text. So click on this Duolingo Family Plan text and it will take you to this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on Start My Free 14 Days. Now, choose your age, enter your name, enter your email, then create a password and click on Create Account. You can also sign up using Facebook if you want to. Now, after signing up on this page, you'll be successfully taken to this page where you can see it will ask you what would you like to learn. I'm going to choose French for example, then click on continue. Now choose how did you hear about Duolingo, then click on continue. Choose why you're preparing for this language. Choose your fluency level, click on continue. Choose your daily learning goal, click on continue. Then after you do this, you'll have to simply click on this small house icon at the bottom right side of the screen, and as you can see, you get the option to start a family plan. You can save on Super Duolingo when you learn with friends. Click on learn more, then scroll down and click on try. After this, you can see you're able to start your family plan by clicking on this start my free 14 days. As you can see, click on start my free 14 days again, then choose a plan after your 14-day free trial ends. So choose family plan, then click on start my free 14 days trial. Now scroll down and on this billing information page, you'll have to basically enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, security code, country, and then click on start my free 14 days. After you complete the payment on this page, you would have successfully signed up for family plan on Duolingo. So that's how you sign up for family plan on Duolingo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.